Welcome to the next session on challenging sums. Today we will be continuing with a few more sums which are challenging for you. So we will solve it easily. Namaste. I want all your attention here. Okay. Now, in a triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 3 times angle B. That is again equal to 2 times angle A plus angle B. Find all the angles of the triangle. Okay, now it's a sum concerning the angles of the triangle. So the very first step that you should write is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, this is an important step. Now, is this equal to this? This is equal to this. Therefore, we have to write one in terms of the other, then only we will solve it. Okay, now here angle C is equal to 3 times angle B. So I am going to write angle C, instead of angle C, I am going to write 3 times angle B is equal to 180 degrees, which in turn will become 4 times angle B is equal to 180. Are you getting it? This is the first equation, say. Now, how to go for the second equation? This again A and B, this again A and B. Therefore, I can find an equation in this statement. So, I will mark it as 1. The second is 2 times angle A. So, 2 times angle A plus 2 times angle B is equal to 3 times angle B. I am going to bring that 3 times angle B to the LHS. 2 times angle B minus 3 times angle B equal to 0. Therefore, 2 times angle A plus minus angle B is equal to 0. This is your second equation. Are you understanding? Now, the first equation is, once again I will rewrite, angle A plus 4 times angle B is equal to 180. This is equation 1. So how do I do that? I can multiply the 1 by 2, or I can multiply the first equation or second equation. Accordingly, I have to eliminate any one of them. So I have decided to eliminate angle B. Therefore, I should have 4 angle B here. So by simply adding, this 2 will get cancelled. So second equation I am going to multiply by 4. So you will get 4 2s are 8. So 8 times angle A minus 4 times angle B is equal to 0. Now adding, you can name it as sum 3, adding 1 and 3. You will get 9 times angle A is equal to 180, which implies angle A is equal to, divided by this gives you 20 degrees. Are you understanding? Now we have got angle A equal to 20 degrees. I am going to substitute in equation 2. So I will get 2 times angle A. That is 2 times of angle 20. So 2 times angle 20 minus angle B is equal to 0. Therefore, 40 degrees is equal to angle B. Therefore, we have got angle A is equal to 20 degrees, angle B is equal to 40 degrees. Now, what is the question? Angle C is equal to 3 times angle B. That is given. So, I can substitute here. Therefore, angle C is equal to 3 times of angle B, which is 120 degrees. Therefore, angle C is equal to 120 degrees. This is your answer. Now add all the 3, you will get 180. That is the solution of this equation, or that is the answer to this problem. The next sum, we can solve this sum. Px plus qy is equal to p minus q. Qx minus py is equal to p plus q. This is a very simple algebraic solving sum with only literal numbers and constants. Okay. Now here, this sums of this type can be solved by 2 methods, elimination method and most likely formula method will work easily for these sums. But today we will solve this by elimination method. That's also simple solution only. Okay. Now if you examine the coefficients of x and y, here q, here p, here p, here q. Therefore, if you multiply by p, you will get pqy, and second equation by q, you will get pqy, both will get cancelled. Or if you decide to multiply the first equation by q, you will get pqx, and if you multiply the second equation by p, you will get again pqx, even that can be eliminated. Okay. Now you take the first equation, we are multiplying by q, in which case we will get pqx plus q square y is equal to q into p minus q, which is equal to pq minus q square. Are you understanding? This is a very simple situation. Okay. Now the second equation you multiply by p again. Second equation you are multiplying by p, so that I will get pqx and here also pqx. So if you do so, you will get pqx minus p square y, which is equal to p into p plus q, which is going to give you p square plus pq. So let us name this as equation 3 and this as equation 4. Now what have you to do? You have to subtract, otherwise these two x terms will not get cancelled. So I will write 3 minus 4. So changing the sign, this becomes 0, and you will get here one q square y and here p square y. So y into p square plus q square you will get. And here what happens? pq minus q square plus p square plus, we are changing the sign, isn't it? So this will become, if you change the sign, this becomes what? Sign changes. So pq minus q square minus p square minus pq. So these two will get cancelled. You will get minus of p square plus q square. Are you understanding? Here I just added as it is so that there is no confusion. Then I have changed the sign here so that minus p square minus pq will come automatically. Therefore, your y is equal to minus of p square plus q square divided by p square plus q square. They both will get cancelled. You will get y is equal to minus 1. Now when y is equal to minus 1, you can substitute in any one of these equations to get the value of x. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1 can be substituted here. If I substitute, what will happen? I will substitute in the first equation, or that is my choice. Okay, I will substitute in the first equation. You will get, this is 1 and this is 2 obviously. Therefore, px plus q into minus 1 is equal to p minus q. Therefore, px is equal to q goes to the other side. Okay, so you will get p minus q, and then this becomes plus q getting cancelled. So we will get x is equal to p by p, which is 1. Therefore, x equal to 1, y is equal to 1 are the solutions for this equations. So y is equal to, it is minus 1 are the solutions of this equation. Is it? Are you ready? Now 152x minus 378y is equal to minus 74. Minus 378x plus 152y is equal to minus 604. Whenever you come across this sum, you will be thinking of how to eliminate. Substitution is not going to be easy, and then elimination is not going to be easy. Formula also is not going to be easy. Your mind will be working like that. So this sum has got a special technique. Add both the equations, subtract both the equations. We will get the solutions in a very, very simple manner. Okay. So this, how to know that this particular method can be applied for this sum. Look at the coefficients. So this and this are same, this and this are same. That is the only indication. Okay. Shall we try? Yes. Now just add both the equations. What will you get? You will get 8 minus 2 is equal to just 1 plus 2. You put like this. So it is 8 minus 2, 6. And then 7 minus 5, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. So it is minus 226x. And then here minus 378 minus adding, no? Therefore again you will get 8 minus 2, 326y only you will get. Okay. Now here we are adding. So we will get minus 678. Are you understanding? So what I can do, throughout a negative sign is there, we can cancel. And if you look at both the equations, this is 3 times 226 is 678. Therefore, you can cancel that minus 226 throughout. How do you get it? It's only by guess and looking at the numbers and examining the numbers. Okay. So I cancel this 226 throughout with a negative sign. I will get x plus y is equal to 3. This is as simple as that. This is equation 3. Are you understanding? Now next, subtracting. How to subtract? From this, you subtract this, you do anything. From here I will subtract. 1 minus 2 I will put. 1 minus 2. So in that case this becomes positive. So if you add, subtract, change the sign and add, no? So 8 plus 2, 10, 1 plus 7, 8, plus 5, 13, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. And it is obviously positive because we are changing the sign. And similarly, if you add both, you will get a negative sign here. So again the same 530y will come. Are you getting it? Just once again you try adding that and then check for your answers. Okay. Now if you add, what will happen? We are subtracting, therefore you are changing the sign. So that is equal to 4 minus 4, 0, 10 minus 7, 3, and then 5. And of course the sign here is positive because we are changing the sign, we are subtracting 1 minus 2. This and all very, very important. Throughout I am cancelling 1, 530, I will get x minus y is equal to 1. So this is your equation 4. And equation 3 is x plus y is equal to 3. Now simple addition, 4 plus 3 gives you 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. When x equal to 2, substitute in any one of these equations. What will you get? You will get, here I will work out. So x plus y is equal to 3. So 2 plus 1 or 2 plus y is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3 minus 2, 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 are the solutions for this sum. Is it clear to you? So, the sum which looks, frightening can be easily solved by applying a new method. You have to understand this method first. This and this same, this and this same. That is the only clue. Okay, so we will be seeing few more challenging sums like this in the following sessions. Wish you all the best, children. You practice all the sums correctly, clearly. You pause the video 1 or 2 times. You play that in case if you are not able to understand. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.